Okay, we are getting our plumbing wrapped up here, and we have eliminated the old kitchen sink location. We're taking out the copper pipe that went up there, and the 2-inch pipe is being retasked to be a vent for the new sink location. And what we're doing is to keep costs way down and not drilling through 2x4 studs and then going up through the roof. We are merely turning the new sink location into a island loop vent and drain. And so we are using the existing 2-inch, running a 1.5-inch pipe for a vent over there, and then coming back down with a 2-inch pipe. Then we have insulated PEX lines running over there. PEX lines are inside of insulation, tube insulation. And over there you see the old copper line that went is still going to the backyard hose bib. So we have our slope on that, and we have the vent comes down, vents the sink there, and continues down and vents into here. So the vent has a place to run off condensation. We have a place to run a clean out from the sink, and we have a clean out up there too, so we can get the drain from all directions. And over here is the new ice maker box, and that connects in over here. It's PEX going into a Sharkbite on 3/4-inch copper. Keeping it simple. And the rest of the connections we've made are crimp connections with stainless steel collars. I like these collars because you see how they have a rounded end on them, and that has much less likelihood of pinching the pipe. And then the double compression on the collar itself makes a better seal than just the single copper ring compression. Okay, I'm going to get out of here. It's been fun, but it's a muddy basement, and I'll be glad to get out of here. We're going to turn the main back on as we are waiting for the toilet to refill, and there's a hose bib on the front outside that needs to be turned off here, but we'll do that when we get out there. Okay, so let's go take another look here and make sure that our connections are not dripping. Don't you love crawl spaces? I love crawl spaces. Okay, so far so good. Everything's looking good. Yeah. Okay, we have seal. What do we got over here? And that is working too. Excellent. So we have all of our pipes are sealed. So now all I gotta do is go and turn off the hose bib in the front of the house, and that'll be it for plumbing. Alright, this here is the new ice maker location. We've got a wire here, here, and here coming out for countertop lighting. This here is the old sink location. You can see we have converted, it had 2 drains here, and so we have just taken it, turned it into a clean out for the new vent. And this is where the new sink location is, and that has an island vent on it. And then a hot for the sink, hot for the dishwasher, cold for the sink, cold for the instant hot. And then we've run wiring to new countertop outlets. Over here, trying to do the minimal amount of wall damage. Down there, we were able to take the old dishwasher and sink disposal wires and move them to this location, same wire. And then we did the same over here, moved the fridge wire over to this location. And then we put in a recessed clock outlet so that the cord will stick in the wall a little bit, and you'll be able to get the fridge flatter against the wall. And then also we turn the ice maker outlet 45 degrees so that the hose goes flat against the wall instead of sticking straight out into the dishwasher. And over here, these are wire stackers. It just lets you run the wires more cleanly up the wall space, especially on 2x4s where you don't have as much space to wire things. That's where the old fan outlet was, but they didn't actually use it. They just had the fan up with no vent. It just recycled the air through a carbon filter. So we're going to put a new boot up higher. This here is our starter, and that will go in at the top there. You see the word duct. To the left is the power for the microwave range hood, and that's how we will connect the new range hood duct. They've lived here 20 years and never had a functioning duct, and all this time they had duct work, it just never got hooked up. Okay, so I am going to get out of here. I have to do some errands, and we'll see you on the next video.